today we're gonna learn how to make this beautiful, I don't know, like a bubble gum queen. So a few months ago, I seen this beautiful look that Bethany Faye created. I hope I'm saying the name right. I'm sorry, my English is a little bit broken, as you can see. So I came up with this, which is like, it's not the same, but I'm using like the same mix of colors. If you want to learn how to make this look, just keep watching. I'm going to start by using these Paradise water activated paints from Maryand in the color teal, and I'm going to apply it all over my face, neck, and shoulders. I'm using Clown White for Maryand. This is a cream paint, and I'm gonna use it for doing all the highlights on my body and my face. I love the effect of cream paint over water activated paints, and I'm going to blend this with my beauty blender. I also got this PR package from Huda Beauty, and I'm using the new Obsessions metallic palette for doing my dark contour. I'm using the white paint again on my eyes to pop out the eyeshadow, and I'm gonna be using Suba Beauty Hydra liners with this hot pink to do a crazy big cat eye. And I'm gonna be using the same product for my eyebrows. I wanted to add another color, so I'm popping a little bit of yellow in my inner corner. And with black eyeliner from Sigma, I'm gonna add more drama by doing another thinner cat eye on my eyes, so I give the illusion of having two cat eyes. With this eyebrow brush or a toothbrush in some of the paint, I'm going to splash by using this technique to create freckles all over my face and body. For my lips, I'm using Pink Edition from Sigma Beauty. For lashes, I'm using Huda Beauty, and by adding some black papers to it, like I showed you in previous videos, I'm gonna achieve these long, very dramatic lashes. Don't forget to add and style your wig. Well, and this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what would you like to see on my next videos.
We